Nobody explained the 5 hidden rules that secretly control your money. Not your paycheck, not your bank app. The actual rules underneath all of it. Picture this. You walk into a store with $10 in your pocket. You want pizza. You want a soda. You want a movie ticket. $10. Only buys one of those. Pick one, and you just said no to the other two, whether you meant to or not. That's the deal every single human is stuck with. There's never enough of everything for everyone. Economists call it scarcity, and it's the reason economics exists at all. Once you see these 5 rules, you will never look at money the same way again. Rule 1. The price tag lies to you. Say you turn 20, get your first real paycheck, and buy a $50,000 sports car. Feels like it costs $50,000, right? Wrong. Say instead you bought a solid used car for $20,000 and invested the other $30,000. Left alone for 30 years, that money could quietly grow into almost $250,000. So that sports car didn't really cost $50,000. It cost $250,000 of your future. This is called opportunity cost, what you give up to get something else. Even watching this video has a cost. It's whatever else you'd be doing with these 5 minutes instead. Rule 2. Prices are secret messages. Nobody in your city is in charge of making sure there's fresh bread, fresh fish, and fresh coffee on shelves every single morning. No boss, no control room, no master plan. And yet it happens, every day, like clockwork. Remember 2020, when everyone panic bought toilet paper at the same time? Shelves went empty in days. Nobody sent out an emergency order, though. Prices ticked up, factories ran overtime, and stores were fully stocked again within weeks, all without a single meeting. That's the trick. Prices are signals. A price going up says, make more of this. A price staying low says, we've got plenty. Nobody's steering the ship. The price is steering it. Rule 3. Good intentions don't always work. In 1998, 10 daycare centers in Israel had a problem. Parents kept showing up late to pick up their kids. 6 of the daycares added a small fine for lateness, hoping to fix it. Late pickups didn't drop. They went up and stayed up, even after the fine was removed. Turns out the fine gave parents permission. Being late stopped feeling like letting someone down and started feeling like just paying for a service. People respond to incentives, not intentions. Sometimes the fix backfires completely. Rule 4. Your paycheck is just a price. Why does one job pay $15 an hour and another pay $500? Is it just about who works harder? Not really. Say you run a lemonade stand and hire Maria. She's fast and friendly, and she sells 10 extra cups an hour. That's $10 of extra value, easy to pay her out of. Then you hire Jake. Jake's on his phone the whole shift and only sells 2 extra cups. That's $2 of value. Pay him $10 an hour, and you're losing money every hour he's there. Nobody pays you for your time. They pay you for the value your time creates. Rare skills create more value, and more value means more pay. Rule 5. Trading makes everyone richer. Say a lawyer earns $300 an hour, and she also happens to be great at cleaning her own office. Should she clean it herself? If she does, she saves about $20. But she also loses an hour of $300 legal work. She comes out way ahead paying someone $20 to clean and spending that hour lawyering instead. This is comparative advantage. Everyone focuses on what they're best at and trades for the rest. It works for a lawyer's office. It works for entire countries too. Scarcity is real. Choices have hidden costs. Prices send messages. Incentives beat intentions. And trade makes everyone richer. None of this needed a finance degree to understand. It was hiding in plain sight the whole time. And that's something nobody explained about money. Follow Money Mysteries for more things nobody explained.